Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Now, today our topic is say the sounds e, o, e. Complete each word by writing the correct sounds. Like hen. Now we complete the spelling h-n. H-n, hen. This is hen, and now this is jam. 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 Bed. Bed. Sun. Sun. This is sun. Now next one is bin. Bin. This is bin. Now next is rug. 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 This is rug. Now next is tin. 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 This is tin. Now next is fan. Look at this. Fan. This is fan. Now students, all of you done this page on your book and notebook. Your writing should be neat and clean. Stay at home. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.